Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. Let me adjust this a bit. Um, I wrote, I wrote a friendly commentary last night about the stock market, but first I'm looking for a retest of the lows of the move today. I know when I went to bed, the SPOOs were up like 15 or 20 handles, something like that. And I said, oh well, I'm glad I'm not trading because I would have most likely gone home short and would have been had a bad night's sleep actually. So then you wake up this morning and the SPOOs are whatever, almost 20 handles lower. And I look at the market this morning. The S&Ps have traded in a 45 handle overnight range. I mean, give me a break. These aren't credible markets. It's August. The players have hung up their trading boots. If they have passed the book on to their juniors, if the juniors used to trade 10 lots in the past, the juniors are trading 2 lots now. There's no liquidity about this. These aren't. The markets are real, but there's no credibility in them. And I am so pleased to have hung up my trading boots when I did. And even though I've been bearish to stock markets, what I feel that we're going to see in the next 12 to 16 months will give me more than enough opportunity to sell the stuff. And if we go obviously to where I think we're going, we are going to have some fun. So all that aside, what do we do today? It's my job to have a view. I'm looking for a retest of the lows of the move. Do your homework. I've labeled all my charts. They have all the levels where I want to buy the market. Obviously, in these times, buying S&Ps, you have to be prepared to take 10 to 15 handles worth of heat. But if you're taking that 10 to 15 handles worth of heat, I'm looking for 50 to 60 handles worth of gain. So I like the risk reward, but you have to be prepared. You have to have deep pockets if you're going to trade these kinds of markets. What I know from the break of 2008, 2009, when we would fill gaps, we'd sometimes in the S&P go 10 handles, 12 handles through the gap. And 24 hours later, it was a 70 handle winner. So you have to be careful here. I'm actually, I had such a good run this year that, by the time all the bullshit in Washington started with the debt ceiling load of bollocks, I said, you know what, I'm done, because I was going to quit trading in August anyhow. So as you all know, that's where I stand, and or as one would say, I'm sitting this morning. I won't be doing a webcast tomorrow. I have some family matters to take care of. And just for everyone's information, my son Louis had a 2-hour operation last night. He had a plate and 8 screws installed in his body. So I will be with my son tomorrow and having a very nice weekend in Winona, Minnesota. So all that aside, this is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. I did post a yen chart. Joe will be posting a yen chart on the site. This formation that I see, it's very equally weighted, and I do believe the yen is a sale up here. So timing is everything. If it's not going to go down today, I think it's going to go down tomorrow. I will have, depending on how the stock market acts today, I will have a very, very interesting play for tomorrow. So that's about all I have. Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. Cheers.